recommended by me to anybody who's looking to sell, buy, do anything with real estate. I would call her before I called anybody else.
Evelyn is just a wonderful person to deal with. She makes the purchase of a home or the sale of a home very easy. Yes, I highly recommend it. Very highly.
Initially, this was our first home that we had purchased, and this is our first home that we were selling. So we're pretty, I guess, nervous about the whole experience, about buying a new home and then having to resell this home at the same time. So I guess meeting Evelyn when we first saw our home, or our new home in Caledon, has really streamlined the process and really made this into a positive experience. I think the bulk of our stress was selling our home, so the fact that we were able to sell our home in 2 days for being on the market at a price that we wanted really made it a positive experience.
Yeah, I can highly recommend Evelyn. Absolutely.
But being this is my first time selling a house, I didn't really know what to expect. I heard a lot of horror stories about, this happens and that happens, and I didn't really know what to expect. So I learned about the great work that Evelyn does through my girlfriend's family, who she's worked with many times, and I said, well, we'll give this a shot, right? So I met with her. She thoroughly explained all her system for marketing strategy, showed me exactly what I needed to do to get the house ready, what not to do, what to remove, what to put in. She staged the property for me. The house looked absolutely great when all the professional pictures were coming, done, everything staged. It was virtual tour, everything was perfect. Like, it didn't even have to worry about anything. It was all taken care of for me. Evelyn is highly recommended by me to anybody who's looking to sell, buy, do anything with real estate. I would call her before I called anybody else.
So we were first-time home buyers and looking for a new home. She explained to us the process of finding a new home. She helped us arrange a mortgage. She helped us look for a home. She was very patient with us, and she ended up helping us find this home.
She found the home of our dreams.
Unfortunately, when she found it, there was multiple offers on it. Through her negotiation skills, we ended up getting it, so that's great.
So we invited Evelyn to our home to give us an evaluation on our home, and during that process we learned so much from Evelyn. She was thorough, she was honest, straightforward, and just a exceptional job that she did.
Evelyn is number one.
And we are very, very satisfied with her service. Thank you, Evelyn.
Thank you
You're
so
a
much.
blessing.
We are very excited because we sold our house within 2 days, and I'm so surprised. Evelyn is a very good salesperson, not only a salesperson. He helped me a lot to stage my house. We got so many buyers, and within 2 days, we got 5 offers, and it was very difficult situation to decide, but Evelyn helped us a lot, and we got a very good price for this house. And he helped me a lot to decorate the house, look it more beautiful and better. I was surprised. Everybody was saying that it looked like a model house, and it's all because of Evelyn. So I'm so happy, and she is very good at her job. And I would say, if in future I need to sell my house or buy my property again, I would definitely go with Evelyn because I'm so confident and so happy.
This experience was very easygoing. Evelyn, you've done a wonderful job to find a home that we both loved, and it's just been amazing.
Well, I felt that what I really looked for to see if the fine details were looked after, and they were. So I could say we're very happy with the experience.
We're so glad to have Evelyn as our realtor. She exactly knew what we were looking for, and this house she found it for us. We looked at so many different houses, and she was so patient with us, trying to find that perfect house. And after getting this deal almost done now, we're so happy, and
we're so thankful.
yeah, and all credit goes to Evelyn for doing that.
Hey Evelyn, I'm happy to have this house, and I will not miss opportunity to give your reference to somebody.
Okay.
Bring my friends, and I wish I'll get more friends to come to get your service, to get your help, and when I'll think to sell, I will call you.
We've known Evelyn for over 20 years. Evelyn,
22, I believe it was.
22 years.
22 years ago, we reached out to Evelyn. We were looking for a home to purchase, and Evelyn helped us purchase the home that we are now selling 22 years later to move on. Just a wonderful person to deal with. She makes the purchase of a home or the sale of a home very easy and enjoyable.
Very.
I highly recommend it.
Very highly.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.